Hello everyone, welcome back to One Two Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up and log in to Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To sign up and log into Snapchat, make sure you've downloaded Snapchat on your device. Simply tap open the app and, in order to sign up, tap on the sign up button located at the bottom left corner. Enter your first name and then your last name. Tap on sign up and accept, and on the next page, enter your birthday information by choosing it from the wheel at the bottom of the screen. Tap on continue after you're done, and if you want to change your username, then tap on change my username. Type in a username that you want to select. If you are happy with the username, simply tap on continue and enter a password for your account on the next page. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and tap on continue. Type in your email address, and if you want to sign up with phone number instead, then tap on sign up with phone number instead. Enter your phone number, and soon after you do that, you'll receive a text verification code, and just like that, you'll be able to sign up with your phone number. To continue signing up with email, tap on the continue button after you type in your email, and after you're done entering your email, tap on continue. You can find your friends by tapping on continue and quickly add friends to your Snapchat from the list. If not, you can even skip the step for now by tapping on skip, which is located at the upper right corner, and select yes to skip the step. And just like that, you have signed up for your Snapchat account. Now, let me show you how to log into Snapchat. First, go to your profile icon at the upper left corner and let me show you how to log out of it first. Tap on the settings button from your profile page, which is located at the upper right corner, and scroll all the way down until you find the logout button under account action. Tap on logout, select yes from the pop-up, select logout one more time. You've been logged out of your Snapchat now. In order to log in, go back to Snapchat and tap on the login button. Enter your username or your email and move on to the next text field and enter your password. If you want to double check your password, then tap on this eye icon at the right corner and reveal the password in order to double check it. If you forgot your password, tap on forgot password link at the bottom of the password box and follow the instructions to reset your password. After entering your credentials correct, tap on the login button, and just like that, you'll be logged into your Snapchat account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.